how to make weird noises with your mouth and your hands. Okay, so first is this. Like, first is how to make that noise. Anyways, okay. So first is get your two fingers. I'm left-handed, doesn't matter. And then get your one finger. You see that flap right there? See that flap? Put your finger in. You have to put it on your like flappy part of your cheek, and so you go. But you have to like squeeze like this. So boom, 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 and it makes that noise. Yeah. Next is so you do this. Have it all the way at the top. Yeah. Okay. So first, put your finger out here, to like all the way down to right here, and then it's like that. Thanks for watching.